Today, I'm going to teach you how to track electric bike rides on Strava. Alright, so I'm starting here by opening the Strava application on my phone. Once the app loads and I'm on the main screen, I'm heading straight down to the bottom of the interface where the main navigation options are located. From there, I'm clicking on Record. This is the button that lets me start tracking any type of activity, whether it's running, cycling, or in this case, an electric bike ride. As soon as I tap record, the tracking screen opens up and I can see the big play button in the center. But before I actually start recording, I need to make sure Strava knows I'm riding an e-bike and not just a regular bicycle. So I'm looking to the left side of that play button where there's an option to select the activity type. I'm going ahead and clicking on that now. This opens up a list of different activities that Strava can track, and I need to scroll through until I find the right one. Now I'm looking through the options and I'm finding e-bike ride in the list. Once I see it, I'm clicking on it to select it. This step is really important because it tells Strava to categorize this ride as an electric bike activity instead of a regular bike ride. That way, all the data gets logged correctly and shows up in the right category when I review my stats later. It also helps keep your regular cycling achievements separate from your e-bike rides, which is helpful if you want to track both types of rides accurately. At this point, the activity type is set to e-bike ride and I'm ready to start tracking. So now I'm clicking the play button in the center of the screen. As soon as I do that, Strava begins recording my ride in real time. It's now tracking my speed, distance, route, and all the other metrics that come with logging an activity. From here, I can just ride as normal, and Strava will keep tracking everything in the background. The app will continue to record until I tell it to stop, so I don't need to worry about doing anything else while I'm riding. Once I'm finished with my ride and I'm ready to stop tracking, I'm clicking the pause button. This pauses the recording so Strava stops tracking my movement. After that, I'm clicking finish to complete the activity, and that's it. The ride is now saved in my activity feed, labeled as an e-bike ride, and I can go back later to review the route, stats, and any other details from the ride. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.